Salute to 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comments. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Tajji. Tajji featuring Navino. Go do the research for Navino and find out who Navino is. With a song called Real. This is our next promotional video. Big up yourself, Tajji. Reach out and do the do. So we're there, put in the work, you know. Guys, the link to his channel, I got there in the comment section. The first comment I got pin. Make me know. Go over there. Make him know say I'm missing over there. You understand? Make sure you drop a like on the video too. Let's get into it. And you ready, GSA? Yeah? Yo. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. But this one is very important. Please do remember, sir, we are still in November. Even though my birthday gone, we're still in November. And I'm running the promotional deal to get your songs on the platform, whether music, video, or audio, to get it on the platform. Link me up on DM, on Instagram. Instagram is right over my head. Jamaica_worst_gamer. Link me up for your prices. And we can talk business only if you're serious. Alright? Let's get back to the video. Alright, let's go.
You can't tell me, say me can't say new me, new year. Hold on talk that, brother. New me, new year. But I put in the best to try change my life. All bad company cut off. All bad energy cut off. All time wasters cut off.
So me bumbuckler feel. That's how me feel. You can't tell me, say me can't say new year, new me. I want to you. Me speaking into existence. Cut off off it cut off. Chop off on the cutlass there. Hey, let me go for the cutlass now. Chop off it chop off. And that me say, new year, new me. I'm becoming a better man. Certain girls me used to fuck now, fuck them again, because they were crosses. And that me I talk about. You understand? Certain ends I used to park on, not park on me again. You know why? Better than that. Me outgrow them. Suck the mother. That me I say.
All bad energy cut off.
Cut off.
Time wasters cut off.
Move up.
Yo, me a shout out to my family them. But more while, me not like see friend. Me feel more better kicky by myself. Me keep it real, me not try pretend.
You hear that? Me a shout out to my family them. Man, I keep it real, dog.
To my family them. But more while, me not like see friend.
Brother. Yes, when I buy my house, true story. So when I buy my house, I make sure I have everything in my space for my comfort. Before COVID, me antisocial. Me not like see friend. I two friend alone come in my yard. Before COVID, me antisocial, brother. Me not like people sometime. Once me stay here, so. Once me stay here, so and do my thing, no man can't say me it over there, so. Friend a fuckery. FRIEND. E-N-D at the end. E-N-D spell end. Someone off the go. Move up.
Yeah, shout out to my
family them.
But more while, me not like see friend.
Definitely.
Me feel more better kicky by myself. Me keep it real, me not try pretend. Cause even the dogs where you grow with and feel so you know them same one why you dead.
Talk this before, I'm gonna talk it again. You see, once in a man brain, them feel like say the tone up on the same level. You see, once you go so whoop and go up a little bit, them one you're dead. You're pussy. You're fi dead. You're bad mind them. When me bad mind you for, when me off your bad mind. Before we get the same 24 hours, what you do with your one? Who the next suck mother? Suck your mother.
Cause even the dogs where you grow with and feel so you know them same one why you dead. Me nah have no time to spend. That's why me no follow, me no try for trend. Tajji, we a keep it real. And the real
not feeling a bad voice.
We show the love with them show back.
Yo. You see my bro, you see my friend, you see my brethren. If you not call him for y'all 3 weeks, and him not call me for 3 weeks, we don't think nothing of it. But you see, when I will link up, me real dogs them know the energy. Me real dogs them know the energy, bro. That's how Navino tell us, alright, so the real dog them know what going on. You see it?
Time to spend. That's why me no follow, me no try for trend. Tajji, we a keep it real, and the real dogs know that.
Nah.
We show the love with them show back. Yeah. Me feel proud of your bro, God loyalty in the blood and it's sign and seal. If
you see, when you see a friend and do something good, praise him. Praise him. Make him continue. Encourage him to continue. Cause enough man out there, bro. You see, as you do put a foot wrong, you see them start chastise you. Them have pillow talk with them girl boy you. You understand? And it come back round to you, find out that them a pussy. Long time, PUSS, with a lot of wives. You understand? So you have to cherish your friend, bro. Love your friend. Make your friend know say, yo, bro, you know something, love you, though. No homo, man. You see me? Genuine love for you, my fam. You see me? But wait till him drop out, you go say, oh, John no star. Nah, brother.
I feel proud of you, bro. God,
proud of you.
The blood and it's sign and seal. If them violate, then I to attack. You know what the code for. No, we not take program. Realist not come with who you know long.
Realness not come with who you know long. Hear that talk there, bro. Make you know you from birth. You know means you're real, bro. Energy man work off a dog. Energy man work off a Navino. Big up yourself.
If them violate, then I to attack. You know what the code for. No, we not take program. Realist not come with who you know long. Navino. More while me go introvert. Take with myself like me no live a earth. And mama tell me say I'm me alone when me did a birth. So me no worry about no friend cause them we dig you there.
Enough time. Enough time you see me go introvert. What I mean? By myself. By myself. Me not run up in a people. Me don't tell you something I like people, dog. I swear. I'm me alone born and never plus one. Mummy never have a twin. Yeah. Mummy never have a twin and me alone born, brother. And no plus one this.
Tell me say I'm me alone when me did a birth. So me no worry about no friend cause them we dig you there. Them we kill you now, I know you're dead, I know you're missing and them still a search. And them go make a big alert.
Like the part, yeah. Them we kill you now. What you say?
Me say I'm me alone when me did a birth. So me no worry about no friend cause them we dig you there. Them we kill you now, I know you're dead, I know you're missing and them still a search.
Them we kill you now, I know you're dead, I know you're missing and them still a search. What the fuck could I search for? And no kill me.
Like me no live a earth. And mama tell me say I'm me alone when me did a birth. So me no worry about no friend cause them we dig you there. Them we kill you now, I know you're dead, I know you're missing and them still a search. And them go make a big alert. I just saved my life like 𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Remember the dog, then we kill you. I want to for the message Tajji just say a while ago. The man say, yo, then we kill you. You we missing and them still a search for you. Them a help your family member look for you. That the fuck are them a do. And a them killer, them know exactly why you there. Pussy them, man.
Like me no live a earth. And mama tell me say I'm me alone when me did a birth. So me no worry about no friend cause them we dig you there. Them we kill you now, I know you're dead, I know you're missing and them still a search. And them go make a big alert. I just saved my life.
Like that song, yeah. We like that song, yeah. I have to pull up.
You
I have to pull up.
tell me say
I have to
me can't say
pull up this.
New year.
Facts,
Roll
brother.
down that
Navino
brother.
Records, big up.
New me, new year. But
Top notch music.
Best to try change my life. All bad company cut off. All bad energy cut off. All time wasters cut off.
Yo, me a shout out to my family them. But more while me not like see friend. Me feel more better kiki by myself. Me keep it real, me not try pretend. Cause even the dogs where you grow with and feel so you know them same one why you dead. Me nah have no time to spend. That's why me no follow, me no try to trend. Tajji, we are
Ready?
keep it real. And the real dogs know that. We show the love of them show back. Me feel proud of your bro. God loyalty in the blood and it's sign and seal. If them violate, then I to attack. You know what the code for. No, we not take program. Realist not come with who you know. Yeah, me Navino. More while me go introvert. Take with myself like me no live a earth. And mama tell me say I'm me alone when me did a birth. So me no worry about no friend cause them we dig you there. Them we kill you now, I know you're dead, I know you're missing and them still a search. And them go make a big alert. I just saved my life like 𝐂𝐿𝐴vert. A real nigga rare, some man a keep it real. And the real dogs know that. We show the love of them show back. Me feel proud of your bro. God loyalty in the blood and it's sign and seal.
I see it. Oh, clap. Yo, this sketchy, the chorus sketchy, yo, fuck. Navino did a great job on the chorus. As a bad artist, what you fucking expect? What you expect? Come on, man.
We show the love of them show back. Me feel proud of your bro. God loyalty in the blood and it's sign and seal. If them violate, then I to attack. Yeah, you know what the code for. Realist know you you know longer. Navino, them ask me why I move different. Find out that some pussy them. Show me the one for hype, I want to prove my strength.
them a wonder and them a ask me why me a move so different. Uno needs to go look in the mirror why me a move so different. That uno action. Remember say every action followed with a reaction. Remember that. You understand? So if you move like pussy against me, what me I gonna do? Take myself from around you, brother. Take myself from around you. Me not playing a hypocrite game with you. What the next suck your mother? Suck your mother.
Yeah, you know what the code for. Real is now you know longer. Navino, them ask me why I move different. Find out that some pussy them.
Yeah.
Show me the one for hype, I want to prove my strength. But my friend them so me careful at the home event.
Rude.
Them ask me why I move different. Find out that some pussy them.
Yeah.
Show me the one for hype, I want to prove my strength. But my friend them so me careful at the home event.
Man say no one hype. Him no want have to prove him strength. But him friend them. Him no want have to do none of that shit, bro. You see me? So what him do? Prevention better than cure, dog.
Show me the one for hype, I want to prove my strength. But my friend them so me careful at the home event.
Yeah.
You know that we know real in a matter. From the days we are sleeping in one yard. Gun pan belly we no job yard. No faster them real when them and them fraud.
From them time there, we geared up. In a 1 yard. Dumpling and butter days. Mackerel and rice days. From them time there. No, so we stay protected with the gun pan belly till now. Real, no real. You see me? Yeah, they beside you through everything, through thick and thin as a true G. No that.
We know real in a matter. From the days we are sleeping in one yard. Gun pan belly we no job yard. No faster them real when them and them fraud. Now for them I sell out but we still a stay real. Never do it for myself, me I do it for the team.
No for them a sell out, but we still a stay real. Me not do it for myself. Me I do it for the whole team, for the whole away. If me I win, every man fair win. The fuck? If me I win, every man fair win. The death?
Now for them I sell out, but we still a stay real. Never do it for myself, me I do it for the team.
Yeah.
When me I win, you a win, we a win.
No that.
Now for them I sell out, but we still a stay real. Never do it for myself, we a do it for the team. From me I win, you a win. We a
No
win.
that. Real. Buckler. I call her sick, bro. That's so. That's so. That's so. That's so. Bumbleclot. Big up Tajji and Navino upon that one, bro. That one a sick dog. Guys, if you don't rate that one, there's something wrong with you, brother. The video at the first comment in the comment section, see link for this. You don't need to go down there, click on the link, go over there, watch it, tell the G say you are me, send you over the dog. Yo, this sick, bro. Tajji, this bad, bro. This bad, bro. Yo, what language? Yo, this bad. Me not joke. Right now, I try to chance some of this again to my blood class self. Guys, anyway, what you go on now? This is where I'm going to leave that one here, guys. If you enjoy that one here, I want to see more from your G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new. And I will see you. I will see you in the next one.
All bad company cut off. All bad energy cut off.
I've watched again.
Wasters cut off.
Again. Hold on.
Me a shout out to my family them. But more while me not like see friend. Me feel more better kiki by myself. Me keep it real, me not try pretend. Cause even the dogs where you grow with a feel so you know them same one why you dead.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.